For this installation, I'm using the Mangold Dashcam power adapter, which I got off of Amazon for $35. First, we move this little center grill part, which allows us to then grab the large section and just pull straight down a little forcefully. It doesn't come off easily. This is the 10-pin connector that we're going to patch into. The adapter goes in between the plug and the receptacle. And here's what it comes with: a little pry tool, which I didn't use. This is the power converter and the plug and receptacle. It also comes with a USB-C, a micro USB, and a mini USB connection for your dash cam. So we're going to plug the adapter in between the cables for the rear view mirror. It was fun doing these one-handed. Then you're going to plug the cable for your dash cam into the power adapter. Remove the 3M tape and mount the power adapter. Put the cover back on. Plug your dash cam cable into the power adapter. Then remount your dash cam. And you're done. It's a very professional looking job using this adapter instead of running a cable all the way down to the fuse box.